Hi everyone, the next one in the controlled access category after reservation is polling. So what happens in this protocol is there is a primary station and the others are secondary station. So this primary station controls the link and is always the one who initiates a data transfer. So it uses two methods when primary station wants to receive. The method is poll, and when it wants to send, the method is called select. So let's see these methods. So the first one is select, that is when it wants to send data. So as the primary controls the link, so it obviously knows when the station is the medium is idle, but what it does not know whether the receiver is ready to receive data, ready or not. So what it does, it first alerts the receiver, then it gets acknowledgement, then it sends the data, and then again it gets acknowledgement when the data is successfully received. So let's see, this is our primary, these are two secondary, A, B, primary. This is time. So say he wants to send data to station B, so it uses this select operation, or say just simply notifying B with some signal. If B is ready, it sends back acknowledgement, then the primary sends data and then receives back acknowledgement again. So yeah, this simple procedure is what happens in select method. The next one is poll. So it is when primary wants to receive data. What it does is it asks every station for data and then receives the data or a negative acknowledgement. Say this is primary and this is station A, this is station B. So what it does, it first asks the first station, that is A, that sends a signal, asks whether you want to send data, and let's say it does not have anything to send, so it sends a negative acknowledgement. So then it's asked the next station due that if you want to send data, then this one, if it has some data to send, then it replies with directly with the data, and when the data is received successfully, the station replies with acknowledgement. So that's how poll works. So this was the second method, polling. So yeah, the next one we'll be discussing is also in the controlled category, that is token passing. Okay, so see you next time.